Hey ladies, it's your girl Corporate Carolyn. Someone asked me a while back, like not only to share my morning routine for my skin, at how I'm taking care of my skin at 58, where I think I look pretty decent. Praise the Lord for that. I can't take any credit. I try to take care of my skin and try to live a healthy lifestyle. And so a person asked to share my morning routine. Check, did that. Check out that video that's out here. And then I also did my nighttime routine, telling all the products I use and how I use them. And so then someone else asked if I would talk about my makeup routine. And I told them that it would be a joke. It would be a pointless exercise for me to actually do my makeup with you watching, because what I'm realizing at 58, less is more. And you'll realize when I tell you the little that I did just to get this look right here. All I did was I just used some eyeliner, and I'm cheap. I usually get everything from the Walmart app for the most part, in terms of actual makeup other than lipstick. CoverGirl, Perfect Point Plus, less than $8, Walmart. So I do that first, line the bottom line of my eye and the top. And then you notice I'm not even wearing eyeshadow. The only time I wear eyeshadow sometimes is like I might put a little gold on if I wear like gold tone clothes. But for the most part, every day I use L'Oreal's Voluminous base to give my eyelashes a little more volume, because they're kind of thin, and I don't want to wear fake eyelashes because I'm always scared about something getting into your eyes. And my husband kind of likes things to be natural for the most part. So I try to stick with that, and I've gotten used to the way that I'm wearing, my eye makeup. Normally I wear Maybelline's Falsies mascara, but I just bought a new thing from the Walmart app. It's L'Oreal's Panorama. It's a little more expensive than what I normally spend for mascara, but today I use this, and I put a little bit of this on top of it just to try to see the difference. But anyway, so I do that, and then like if I have some that's like left over, like CoverGirl has this like clump crusher, and so I just, even though I don't really have anything in there, I use the brush to try to I guess declump any places where I might have too much mascara on. So I just do that. So mainly eyeliner, mascara, and then I don't have any eyeshadow on right now. That's about it. And so and I'm so simple. Like if I did use eyeshadow, I would just use this plain little brush, and it has like some little gold tone on it from the times that I might wear things with gold in it. And I use a cheap version by Maybelline, like a little palette that came from probably the Walmart app. And then what else do I do? In terms of my face itself, I don't use any foundation, nothing. Like when I see these tutorials where people are using all of this like concealer and like base and all of that, ain't nobody got time for that. Maybe because I'm in menopause, I have made things as simple for me as I can make them. So the only thing that you're seeing on my face right now, I used to use like this little mineral powder for finishing, like probably about 5 years ago, but I finally stopped using that, and I just use MAC's. It's like a little powder that is a translucent powder that you just put on your face to keep you from being oily, because I tend to have oily skin. And of course they have like lame color names. You could find this on Amazon. I think I might have bought it on Amazon. If you want to go to the store, you can. But it was just I think is it brown? No, it's not brown. It's just some basic term, whatever they have for people that are brown skin. But it's a translucent powder that's oil blotting type thing. That's all I put on my face. And the title will come to me, because I was always annoyed because they would, I was like, they could say something like mocha brown or caramel, but no, I think it's just brown, maybe like dark brown or something. I can't remember, but definitely check out what MAC has for blotting purposes. And then the only other thing, speaking of MAC, like today I'm wearing like their Rebel lipstick. It's a satin lipstick. I get this from either Macy's or you could order it from Amazon. And then I put their Ooh Baby. It's a lip gloss. I use that. That's probably the most expensive thing I use. And I was telling you about the gold tone thing. I tend to use like a red lipstick. If you look at some of the videos where I'm wearing gold tone things, it's what is it? It's retro matte liquid lip color, and it's called Dance With Me. And I don't use this one that often because when I kiss my husband, it usually stains his lips or above his lips because my lips are full, and so it's kind of annoying. But I do like it if I'm wearing something that's kind of gold. But let's see. And then to top it off, I use a lip gloss that is Ruby Woo, and that adds a little sheen to it because it is matte. And then finally, the must-have, because I am over 60% gray, and gray hair is coming in literally every day. As soon as I dye it, the next day, new gray hair is popping in. So I use Red by Kiss, which is from Amazon. I'll put it in the description like I have in other places where I've mentioned it. And I'll put a link to any of this stuff too for Amazon in case anybody wants to get it. And so I just touch up the edges with that, and even my eyebrows, because some gray hair has had the audacity to show up in my eyebrows. So other than that, that's all I do for makeup. And that's anytime you see me glammed up, that's what I've done. Like eyeshadow is only being worn if I'm wearing something with a gold tone, and if that's the case, I switch up my jewelry totally. The only thing that you'll see me wearing all the time is my class ring, and it's a gold tone, so that's the only mix up that I do. I like things to be matchy, almost like the gar animals of grown folk dressing is what I do. But hopefully that answers a question that someone had, and I'm all glammed up. Where am I going? I might go to Target. I don't know. I just like to dress up but I'm going to finish my work day, and then I'm going to plait this stuff up with some aloe so I can get some curl definition for when I actually want to go somewhere for real and be seen. But hopefully that answered the question, and hopefully that helps somebody out there. If you have questions or comments, feel free to let me know. But until the next time, I hope you have a good one. Take care, and that bra strap keeps coming out. But in the meantime, take care. Have a good one. Bye-bye.